Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been saving money in your Palmpay cash box and now you're wondering how to get that money back into your main Palmpay balance, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll walk you through the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from your Palmpay cash box in 2025. This is a quick and easy process. Just follow the along. Let's get started. First, open your Palmpay app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in the home screen, scroll until you find the cash box option. It might also be labeled as flexible cash box. Tap on it. You'll be taken to your savings dashboard where you can see the total amount you have saved so far. Now look for the withdraw button. Tap on that. Now you'll need to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. You can type in a specific amount, or if you want to take everything, just enter the full balance available. After entering the amount, confirm that you want to transfer the money back to your Palmpay main balance. One of the important note is you cannot withdraw directly from Cashbox to your bank account. So first you'll need to transfer the money to your Palmpay balance. From there you can easily send it to your bank if needed. Once you've confirmed the amount, tap next. You'll be prompted to enter Palmpay transaction PIN to authorize withdrawal. Enter your PIN and once that's done, boom, your money will be moved instantly to your Palmpay balance. And that is it. You have successfully withdrawn from your cash box. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Drop your questions in comments below. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.